you're in debt. Credit cards, student loans, maybe a car loan. No matter how much you pay each month, it feels like nothing's changing. I get it. But the good news is, you can pay off debt faster. And today, I'm going to show you how to pay off debt faster. Let's get into it. 1. Know exactly what you owe. For anything else, list every single debt you have, who you owe, how much you owe, the interest rate, the minimum monthly payment. 2. Pick a strategy, Avalanche or Snowball. There are two main ways to crush debt. The Snowball method. You pay off the smallest debt first, no matter the interest rate. Once that's gone, you roll that payment into the next one, and so on. It's all about momentum and motivation. You'll feel progress fast. The Avalanche method. You focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first, usually credit cards. This one saves you the most money in the long run. Choose what works for you. Snowball gives quick wins. Avalanche saves cash. 3. Cut unnecessary spending. Let me say this clearly. You don't have to live like a monk, but if you're in debt, it's time to pause on some spending. Do you need 5 streaming services? Can you cook more and eat out less? Can you cancel stuff you don't use? Every dollar you save can go toward your debt, and every dollar makes a difference. 4. Make more than the minimum payments equals debt forever. Let's say you owe $5,000 on a credit card with 20% interest and only pay the minimum. It could take you over 20 years to pay it off. Paying just a little more each month, you'll save years and thousands in interest. So even if it's just $50 extra, add it. It helps. 5. Use windfalls wisely. Got a tax refund, work bonus, side hustle money? Instead of upgrading your phone or going on a trip, throw it at your debt. Yes, it's less fun now, but being debt-free later, that's the ultimate freedom. 6. Avoid new debt. You can't get out of a hole while digging a new one. Freeze your credit cards if you need to. Unsubscribe from tempting email deals. Don't finance new stuff while you're still paying off the old. 7. Start a simple side hustle. You don't need to build the next Amazon. Even making $100 to $300 extra a month can supercharge your debt payments. Some ideas. Freelance on weekends. Sell unused items at home. Use skills you already have, like writing, editing, tutoring. Every extra dollar gets you closer to freedom. Final thoughts. Being in debt feels like carrying a backpack full of bricks. But here's the truth. You have more control than you think. Start small. Stay consistent, and one day soon, that backpack will be gone. If this helped you, tap that like button and drop a comment below. What's one debt you want to get rid of first? I'll be in the comments cheering you on, and hey, subscribe if you want more simple money tips like this. You got this.